Hello, my friends. So, I don't know how this happened. It just happens out of nowhere, right? But I got the Rona. Justin was all like I literally don't get sick ever. Like I only get sick like once a year. And Justin's like, oh, just before we go to your cousin's wedding, it would be smart to take a Rona test and see. I take a test thinking I'm not, like, I just have like a little sore throat situation. I take the test, girl. It came out positive. I called Sharon, let the whole family know, like, oh my gosh, I saw you guys for Rosh Hashanah dinner. I'm so sorry. I had no clue that I was about to get COVID. I don't know if I'm allowed to say the C word, but I was like, I'm so sorry. Had I known, I would have not gone. I would not have made the apple crisp that everybody and their mom was eating. Like, I felt so bad. And also, we had to tell Justin's friend that came over on the weekend. Oh, like, April ended up, like, 2 days later ended up getting the Rona. We're so sorry. Like, there was no, like, symptoms. I knew I was tired from, like, the soccer game and apple picking. But, like, that was normal. And Mondays, I'm always tired. Like, so when we were at Sharon and Steve's house for Rosh Hashanah, I was, like, extra tired. But I was like, it's because it's Monday. The workout was hard. I feel that way every Monday, so it was normal. But then my throat started hurting. And then the next day, Justin told me to take the test, and I did. And so I'm not going to make it to my cousin's wedding, unfortunately. And I messaged him. I even sent him the, the positive picture so he knows, like, I really meant to come. Booked the flights, the plane tickets, and all. Sun Country charged us $400 to cancel our flight. Why couldn't we just have gotten credit, Sun Country? Like, please, why? And then also, we got charged for a night of the hotel stay, even though we're not staying there for the night. Because we had planned to stay there for 2 nights in Vegas, but the hotel was like, oh, in order to cancel, you need to pay for 1 full night. Makes no sense. No one's staying there. Like, I just don't get it, but I just feel bad that I'm missing out on my cousin's wedding. Oh, I also called the gym. I let them know, like, oh, I'm so sorry. I had no, like, symptoms. And then all of a sudden at night, I started having, like, a sore throat. Please disinfect the whole place down. And they were like, oh, it's going around. Like, there's a lot of people since back to school who has gotten it. And in my head, I'm like, okay. And then, get this. Liam wasn't feeling well on Saturday after his soccer game. But then he felt better while we were apple picking, girl. Sharon was like, he had a little cough during Rosh Hashanah dinner. Make sure you test him too. Test him. Positive. Instantly positive. And he was bummed. Because let me tell you, Liam doesn't like to miss school at all. And he was like, I don't feel like anything. Like, and I said, don't matter. If you got it, you got it. You got to stay home. He feels fine. Like, and he also, like, is like, why do I got to be home? Oh, you got to stay home the whole week. But yeah, I'm stuck here in my bedroom. Liam is stuck in his room or in the basement. And then Justin has been in the main floor, like where the kitchen is. And Jacob was at school today. But yeah, we're trying. Justin says he's starting to feel. But I was like, no. It's just mind over matter. Don't be trying to get it. Because, like, there were times when he had it and I didn't get it. So please, just don't be trying to get it. Like, we don't. Like, it's so tough when people get it, especially him. Not me, though. I feel fine. I just have a sore throat and I can't be around people right now. There was something I was going to say. Girl, I really don't know. Oh, yeah. Just an observation. But it's weird how the last time our family got the Rona, it was when my brother and sister and John, her boyfriend, they were supposed to come over to our Bay Area house to celebrate Christmas with us. I didn't know it was going to be our last Christmas living in the Bay Area, but it was going to be like my family coming over. And then next thing you know, the next time I get the Rona, or someone does, because last time it was Justin, but this time it's me and Liam, tell me why. There's another family function in my side. And is it a coincidence, or like, what is this? Like, why is it that there's a Rona situation before a family thing for my family in particular? I don't know what this is. And I can be upset and sad and heartbroken that I'm missing my cousin's wedding. And I already apologized to him, and I told him, I was like, I promise you, like, we had the plane tickets and the hotel, everything. My dress came from Fashion Nova. I didn't even try it on. All the things. I told him, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna just, for their gift, they, it looks like they, like, on their website, it's so cute. They want, like, a honeymoon fund, so I'll contribute a little something for there. There was something else I was gonna say. I don't know, I forget. My symptoms are not bad. I just have a sore throat and I don't really have an appetite. So the only thing I ate all day today was a banana, a protein drink, and a caribou because Justin got me a caribou and some water. I'm not doing anything. I'm not even moving. I'm just like rotting on the bed. So I wasn't hungry. So if you see me all skin tight, the Rona did it. I really want to eat, but like nothing tastes good. I don't have a sense of taste, you know? So when you don't have a sense of taste, you don't have an appetite. Anyways, I'd like to see this situation as protection. I'm being protected from something, from someone, from an event. I'm being protected. I feel this way for anything that happens. Like when we got our flight canceled, when we were in North Carolina, I had to stay one more night. That was protection. What if there was an issue with the plane? What if there was an issue on the drive there? What if there was something going on? You know what I mean? So I'd like to think that us not being able to make it is extremely unfortunate, but maybe somehow, some way, it was protection that I don't know about. You know, like that burnt toast theory that I always tell you about? So I never take it too hard, but still I'm very sad and disappointed I can't go to my cousin's wedding. But to make myself feel less bad about it, I think this is protection. This is protection, because why else would I like miss out on this? Like I haven't seen my family in a long time. I went to Anaheim, but I didn't see them all. I saw my sister. My brother wasn't free. Like that Airbnb ain't big enough for everybody to come up and through that Airbnb, you know? So like I don't know when the next time will be, but yeah, I'm gonna just hang out here. And I've been posting a bunch of shorts. If you notice, go check out my shorts. I've been posting like all the old shorts that I have. I'm like, wait, why is it here on my YouTube? So let me do that. Y'all, this is how I chat with my family because I'm in quarantine. I'm not trying to get my baby the Rona. Hi, Papas. Right, yeah.
Like, have you been vlogging today?
No, not at all. Just right now. I miss you guys.
I miss you too. I slept horribly last night.
Down in the basement. There's a guest room there.
I'm sure you slept worse, but
First of all, don't say that because we're trying to get our family members to visit us from out of state. It's comfortable, that bed.
I slept.
The bed is so comfy.
One of the main reasons?
What?
I didn't have my eye mask.
You didn't have me. What you talking about? What you talking about? You know what my toxic trait is? Even though I got the Rona, I see this and I'm like, that needs a dusting. Let me go. Let me figure out how to dust that. I miss you, Jakey. How was school, Peppy?
Good.
Yeah, I'm so glad.
We had a quiz today.
Oh, really? What was it about?
It was about time control.
Okay. Oh, and you love that. So how do you think you did on the quiz?
I think I did good.
Yeah, I bet you did, honey. Hi, friends. It's just us, the ones with the Rona. What Liam got, he got chicken strips with cornbread and a Rice Krispie. I got a shrimp po' boy with some onion rings. I should ask for ranch. Hi, we miss you guys. How's your dinner?
How's yours?
It's good.
It's
yeah.
bussin'. This jambalaya.
Yeah.
Oh
you
my
like
god. It's so good.
I'm so happy.
I like it too.
Yeah. My friend Amy was like, hey, I think someone dropped off something at your door. Look, she gave us sourdough and bread. And Bubby also came. Bubby, what did you bring us?
Bubby, what did you bring?
She brought us soup.
Apple cake.
Yummy. Thank you so much. That's so nice of you. She brought apple cake and some kind of soup.
It's so nice.
That's so nice. I'm covering my face with my t-shirt. What is it?
Oh, it's got chocolate in it. I just got a piece of chocolate.
Yum.
Chocolate chip.
I'm covering my mouth because Justin came by and brought me some queso and Mexican food. Okay, when he closed the door, I'll open it. I'll open my shirt again. Okay. Yeah, Justin dropped off my food. Thank you, my love. But yeah, we got our Mexican food. I finally have an appetite and I'm so grateful. Like, it's so funny. I joke around with my friend. I'm like, I want to be skinny, but I'm not trying to be Rona skinny. It's Rona out here taking me out. And all the days I was feeling fine, but yesterday I didn't vlog at all because I was down and out. I was just sleeping the whole day, like taking a nap, literally bedridden. And then today I wake up like, you know, I know when I'm feeling better when I finally get my appetite back, which is today. And also when I start noticing things in the house and I'm like, I want to clean it. Like I look down and I'm like, those flowers look like they're ready to be thrown out. Like I want to do it. And Justin's like, you're not trying to go down here and do that. And I'm like, I know, but my mind is like, I'm ready. I'm ready to clean this whole house down. But my body's like, girl, rest. So this is lunch. Chile relleno. It's going to probably also be dinner. This is a lot of food. Rice and beans. Chips and guac with some queso as well. And, oh my God, girl. I am freaking out. Like, freaking out. Look at this. And horchata. This is the same place we had last week when we went apple picking. It's pretty far from our house. Like, honestly, really far. I'm surprised they delivered. I guess I don't have, like, my full appetite yet, but that's what I could eat. Mainly just the chips and a little half of the chile relleno. But once I get better, it's sober food. You're gonna be eating.